Hey guys, another quick unboxing video here. We thought we'd just bring out these Rota Slipstreams. They're just getting ready to go out for a delivery, so we thought we'd get one off the shelf, open it up, take a look, and you can see what you're going to be getting. Have a better idea about what the colours are and the sizes that we offer. This is the Rota Slipstream. We have it on our website as the Rota Slip. You can check them out on rotashop.co.uk. This one is an 18.8.5 5x114, and let's take a bit of a look. So it comes really well packaged. I really like Rota wheels. I think they've found the balance of quality and price absolutely perfect. Rota are always absolutely phenomenal when it comes to quality, and I think their colours are fantastic, and we're always getting asked about the colours. So this is the flat black 2. I'm just going to try and get it out of the box here. So this is the flat black 2. As you can see, it's got a really nice matte finish to it. This is why it's called flat black, and it has a really nice design. The Slipstream is a fat 5-spoke design, and it's a beautiful wheel and suits so many ranges of cars. It fits Jap cars perfectly, but it's also being offered in so many other fitments that you can get it onto pretty much anything now. We offer high offsets, mid offsets, and kind of a good safe range of sizes that will be able to suit most cars. So the face of the design changes slightly depending on the size that you're buying, whether it's the inches in width or the diameter. This one, like I said, is an 18.8.5, and with this you get this nice deep circle where it centers onto the wheel. It gets the lovely fat 5-spoke, and then it has a lovely edge finish in here where it almost has like a two-step dish, shall we say. So it goes down into its own lip, and then it has its own, the wheel has its normal lip like normal, and you can really see the kind of the colouring come through. I know it's only flat black, but this would really stand out on a lot of cars, maybe a white car or anything like that. So it's a good design to go for. We offer this wheel in so many different sizes. There's 15s, 16s, 17s, 18s, and like I said, it can fit a host of different PCDs with a host of different offsets. It's worth taking a look. We best get this one all packaged up, ready to go to the customer that's going to be receiving it tomorrow on our next working day delivery. But please do go check out the website, rotashop.co.uk. Please do like and subscribe, and then we can keep this warehouse nice and busy. Bounce it,